Conversation 1. Could you help me?
Can I help you?
Yes, please. We are looking for men's shirts.
They're right over there by the escalator.
Here we are.
Look at this one. The color's perfect for you.
I like it too. How much is it?
It's on sale for $19.98.
That's a good price. But I think they only have it in large.
Well, why don't we ask someone? Excuse me, could you help us?
Sure. What can I do for you?
Does this shirt come in medium?
Yes, it does. Let's see. Here's a medium.
Great. I'll take it.
Will that be cash or credit?
Conversation 2. This sweater is more stylish.
Excuse me, could you help me? I'd like to exchange this sweater.
What's the problem with it?
My boyfriend bought this for me, but I don't like it. It's too old-fashioned. I want something more stylish.
I see. Well, why don't you look around?
These two sweaters are nice. Why don't you try them on?
Okay, which one do you like better?
This gray sweater is cute. This kind of collar is very fashionable now.
Really? I kind of like the black one. It's longer and looser, so I think it'll be more comfortable.
Yes, but the gray one really suits you. It's more stylish than the black one.
The gray one is a better quality, and it's the same price as the one you're exchanging.
You've talked me into it. I'll take this one instead.
No problem. I'll switch them for you.